everyone there. Today I am going to explain the practical section of our diploma course. So as if you know that our diploma course contains two parts, one is theory and another one is practical section. So theory part contains 700 marks and our practical section contains 500 marks. So I am the in charge of practical section. So today I will give a brief information regarding the practical section. So practical section mainly contains 11 items that you have to do. So I will read one by one all the parts of the practical section. So first, Viva demo, it carries 50 marks. Viva demo means you have to give a demo class regarding the Montessori materials that you are going to learn in the future, and you have to give a demo class regarding the language, maths or any other section of the preschool. So it carries 50 marks. So on next, art and craft album 50 marks, general knowledge album 50 marks, language album 50 marks, mathematics album 50 marks, practical life section 50 marks, sensorial album 50 marks, group activity album 50 marks, rhymes and storytelling 50 marks, flashcards and chart 25 marks, child profile and lesson plan carries 25 marks. Overall 500 marks. So you can score easily these 500 marks because it all depends upon your own skills. And I will give one suggestion: if you do all these works by your own hand, it will be more better because you will get a better confidence about you, and don't depend on any other persons to write or do the art and craft or anything that related to practical work. So the mark will be given to your fine work. So keep this point in your mind. So today I am going to give or assign the first album work, that is group activity album. So in group activity album you have to write 5 rhymes. It is based on the concept. So everyone has given one single concept. You have to write the 5 rhymes related to that concept only, and you have to write 5 stories. 5 stories should be according to the mental age of the small children, about the group of 2 to 6 years. So don't write any complicated stories. It should be simple, and the language should be very simple, understandable by the small children. So, and you should collect the related pictures also. So 5 rhymes, 5 stories, and 1 English conversation, and 2 puzzles and 2 games. You have to write it in the group activity album. It is called as group activity album because in every batch we will make a group. It depends upon the number of the students that have get admissions. So maybe it is 3 or 5. We will assign a single theme for each group, and they have to write according to the theme with all the group members' cooperation. Since in this batch we have very few students, we will assign the concept for individually. So you have to write according to that. So for this group activity album, I will give the instructions how to write. Before commencing, for writing group activity album, you should buy this kind of book. It's a drawing book. It is easily available in all bookshops. It's a drawing book. It is 40 pages. 40 pages book is enough for your album work. It costs around 30 to 40 rupees, I think, and it is easily available in all shops. And you should put the wrapper for the every album work. It should be very neat and tidy. So she has put plastic wrapper. You can also put this type of brown color wrapper also. So this is the first basic thing you have to do. So this is the group activity album work. So first of all, you have to write the first page like this. So this is the first page. In the first page, you have to write the institute name, Ideal Montessori Teachers Training Institute. So, and you have to mention the album name, group activity, and here in the corner you have to write submitted by your name and your roll number. Okay, this is the first page. So the decoration of the page depends depends upon your creativity. You should be very neat and attractive. You can use sketch pens, glitter pens and color pencils to decorate. So don't make too clumsy, it will be very presentable. So the next page you should leave empty. The next page should be empty to stick this bona fide certificate after completing it. So you don't write anything on the second page of this book. You should leave it as it is. This is the completed book, so we have sticked here the bona fide certificate. It will be assigned after the conclusion of book. Next, third page, you should write the index like this. So index means the content that you have written inside the book, the heading and what you have written should be mentioned here. So you should give the rhymes, heading rhymes, and you have to write 5 rhymes name, and next 5 stories heading, and you should write the stories, and next conversation, games and puzzles. You have to write it in the index part. I will put the images or video after this. Okay, don't be confused. So next start writing the rhymes first, and I will give one more information. She has not put margins for the it is a demo album, so she has not put margin here. So but you better put the margins for all the pages. It looks very neat. So keep this point in mind and start writing. So for every page you have to put heading, the rhymes name, okay, and then write the content here. You can use normal ball pens and ball pens and glitter pens also you can use for writing. On the left side you should paste the pictures related to the rhymes or stories. So it is opt to paste the color pictures only. If you are not available with the color pictures, you can also stick the white and black images. So try to collect color pictures only. So you should write first 5 rhymes, each in a single page along with the pictures. So after finishing 5 rhymes, you have to write 5 stories. These are the rhymes she has written. So after finishing it, you should write stories like this. So for every pages you put the margins, put the headings here, use sketch pens and glitter pens. So for now writing you can use ball pens. So here she has pasted pictures related to the story. So the children can easily understand the stories by seeing the pictures. So you have to complete 5 stories like this. You can also write by gel pen also, but please keep the point, the writing should not be see through in the next page. So better you use a good quality pen. So here the next is, after writing rhymes and stories, you should write a conversation. You should also paste the pictures related to conversation. It may depends upon the situation. You can choose a single situation, like in classroom situation, a teacher and a student's conversation should be read. You can use 2 pages for the conversation. It should be very simple, and you should write the names of the 2 persons involved in the conversation. It should be for the writing purpose. You should mention the 2 persons name here compulsorily. So after finishing the conversation part, next move on to puzzle sections. You can collect any puzzles. It can be easily available in the small children's textbook, LKG, UKG and first standard school children book. You can get the puzzles, or in children's magazine also you will get this. Please paste the pictures. If you will not get the pictures, you can draw by hands also. It is very easy. So like this you should write 2 puzzles. So it should be according to the mental age of the small children. you should write and collect 2 puzzles. For every time you should paste the picture here and write the content. Next, 2 games. The games description should be right here and how many members you need for the game, and the pictures also should be sticked for the game. So the number of candidates and the description must be written in the book. So this is how the group activity album should be right. So here it completes this album. She has written 2 games. So this is the last page. So 40 pages book is enough for writing this group activity album. So I have another book here. She has finally wrapped her book. She has also written 5 rhymes, 5 stories, 1 conversation, 2 games and 2 puzzles. So like this you should complete your group activity album. I will put the videos of these 2 books in the group. You can see it thoroughly and start to make your group activity album. From today I will give the time limit to complete this group activity. You will get 15 days for to complete this group activity album. If you finish it quickly, all the 7 members, if you finish it quickly, we will move on to next album. It is an art and craft album. It needs more time compared to other album. So I will suggest, it is a very simple album book. You can complete it in a week if you try it. So better you start from today only and write neatly and try to finish it within the stipulated time. I will give you 2 weeks of time from today onwards. So after 2 weeks you have to submit your album in the video, 2 videos. Okay. After that you will